So what's the biggest so like artists, so if artists come to you and want to create in your community, what are some of the cool things you're doing to get these artists visibility in the community so their NFTs can be displayed with the ones in your world?
It's about different things. It's as an artist, I can also say this as an artist. When you are part of a community, when your art is shown, it's important part because the message is received. You get known and you get with people that is also doing these kind of things, because usually people that is related to this kind of world, it's also the ones that are streaming, the ones that are watching and looking for this kind of information. But the idea is to bring the artists to the platform. It's one of the important things, because right now the artists are everywhere in different parts of the world, but maybe they don't know the platform. And ensure that they get rewarded. And how they get rewarded? Because people is founding, people is making this kind of investment stakes, and they get rewards. And after that, we could even make a wider community of artists that could deliver even more art. Where is going to be the art? Well, for the final consumers that have those NFTs, those specific and unique NFTs. Eventually, we could make, they will have their own series, different artists. Right now, we have like a mix of different artists going all around within 2D, 3D, different styles, concepts. But the idea is that at the end, we could have a specific series of certain artists. So we can make more like a focus on that kind of artists within all the parts of whatever part of the world is, could be related, whatever artist related to, again, 2D, 3D, or different kind of concepts. So people get engaged. And artists get engaged and get reward. Not only the people that is reward about after founding, about making this kind of stakes, but also the artists. And it's like this, the other part. Thinking about today, not all the artists have that good salaries within the world, within their different parts of the world, different parts of countries. It's how you get better art is treat your artists as they need to be treated.